Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to install the HP Laserjet Pro M1136 MFP driver on Windows 11 in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser on your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for HP Laserjet Pro M1136 MFP driver. You can also type Windows 11 right next to it. So when you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different links from the official website of HP. So you can open these links in a new tab and these are going to look something like this. Now here, as you can see, we have this particular option where you can see HP Laserjet Pro M1136 multifunction printer. So here simply just scroll down and click on the option of all softwares and drivers. After clicking on it, you will see the download button right next to the driver which you want to download. You just have to click on that and simply save it. Once it is done, you can just simply double click on it and install the driver in your PC or on your laptop. But as you can see, even after clicking on this all softwares and the drivers option, nothing is showing up here. So let's just go to the second option that we have opened. So here on this particular link, you just have to look for your printer. So here I'm just going to copy my printer name from here. Then after pressing Ctrl plus F, you just have to paste this here. If you are able to find this series here, it is well and good. You just have to click on it. Then again, click on the option of all softwares and the drivers and simply download the driver from here. You can also come back on the third page which you have just opened. Over here too, you will find this download button. So simply click on the option of download and you can download this software from here. Now, if you already have the setup or the software available in USB, you just have to plug it in your device, and then on that particular setup, you just have to double click, and that way too you can download and install this particular driver on your PC or on your laptop. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.